A stone is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 28 meters per second. Find the maximum height reached by the stone. Stone is projected vertically upward, so reaches at point B, then strikes at the ground. So initial speed equals to how much? Initial speed is 28 meters per second. Find the maximum height. So we have to find the height AB. So height AB equals to how much? V square minus U square equals to 2AS. So at the highest point, velocity equals to 0. 0 square minus U square equals to 2GH. So height equals to how much? Height equals to 39.2 meter. That is the maximum height attained by the vehicle. So second is find its velocity 1 second before it reaches the maximum height. Find the speed 1 second before it reaches the maximum height. So we have to find the speed at point A dash. So let the speed at this point be V dash. Let speed at this point be V dash. So V square minus U square equals to 2AS. At the highest point, speed is 0. 0 square minus this is V square is we have to find the speed. So V equals to U plus AT. At the highest point, speed is 0. 0 equals to V dash AT. So A is minus 10 into 1. So V dash equals to how much? V dash equals to 10 meter per second. V dash equals to how much? 10 meter per second. So that is V dash. V dash equals to how much? V dash equals to 10 meter per second. That is V dash. Then third bit is given कि does the answer of part B change if the initial speed is more than 28 meter per second, such as 40 meter per second and 80 meter per second. So we have the formula V equals to U plus AT. So we have to find the speed at this position. Question is given कि find the speed at this position if the initial projection is more than 28 meter per second. Does it affect the value at V dash? So V equals to U plus AT. V dash equals to how much? V dash equals to U is how much? V dash is, this is the V dash. This is, so we have to find the speed at this position. At the highest point, V is 0. At the highest point, V is 0. V dash is how much? V dash is, we have to find the speed V dash. U is V dash plus A equals to minus 10. T equals to how much? T equals to how much? T equals to 1 second. So V dash equals to how much? V dash equals to how much? Minus 10 into 1. So this is 10 meter per second. V dash equals to how much? V dash equals to 10 meter per second. So we have to say कि V dash equals to depends upon acceleration and time. V dash depends upon acceleration and time. As V dash depends upon acceleration and time, so this is how much? 10 meter per second. So whatever be the value of the initial speed, let it be 40, let it be 80, but speed V dash remains same. So V dash value does not affect on this 40 meter per second, 80 meter per second. So speed V dash does not change speed V dash does not change due to initial projection does not change due to initial projection 40 meter per second or 80 meter per second.